Hey guys, we received this Fesley Violin Fiddle beginner set for test and try. It's a three-quarter matte violin kit for student. It's an acoustic violin with a hard case. So first impression is a very nice hard case and very nicely built with the pure quality. As you can feel, comes with all this, the matte cloth, manual and stuff, so that you can really feel and see. Like my first impression, I really like this box. The storage box is very durable, and this shows like how much prefer their quality is. Very nice zipper and the handle to carry. So let me just open up this. So zipper seems really nice. Um, so this is the actual violin. So this comes with the shoulder rest, rosin, violin bow, tuner, and all this extra strings. So here you can see like the tuner that you can use. So this also have this precise tuning that you can do and also have this classic F holes that I will show you. So these are all the accessories that comes with this violin and is very nicely packed in this box. So this is the violin and shoulders. So let me just take out and the smooth and see so there's no scratch, no breaking, and this is all it have in the box. So let me just put it aside and I will just focus more on the violin now. So this is the violin with the bow and stuff, and I can feel the quality of the bow with the many strings in here. So it's a very nice classical design and also like the feel with this wood feel. And this bow is also like thing you can stretch this by rotating. So I will show and the setup later on. I'm just trying to show you the quality of the violin first and see like the feel of the grain, the chin rest, and then all the other things with the shoulder stuff. So basically, I think they have kept in mind like all this quality. So with the violin for the kids, it still have that. This is a fine tuner that you can use. You see like the quality itself with this classical design is really nice and you can fine tune with these things. So this is a really nice violin for the beginners.